Crafty Carper, expert advice to help you catch more carp.
Hello and welcome to Crafty Carper TV. My name's Jerry Bridger. Today we'll be looking at a brand new product from a company called Jag. It's one of the most exciting product releases I've seen this year. And what it comprises of is the SP Vice, which I've got here, the SP File, and the Ultra Eye. Now what this is all about, these products will allow you to transform a standard out of the packet hook into the sharpest hook you will ever use in your carp fishing, and I guarantee you'll get extra bites from using this product. Now, as I'm sure you can imagine, I was very intrigued when I first got hold of the product. I've been having a few trials with it and the results have been quite staggering. So with no further ado, let's have a look how to do it.
Okay, the first job is to secure the hook that you're going to be sharpening into the vise. And then what you're going to be doing is working each of the three sides with the file, all in the same direction. Then once you've done that, you can check your work with the magnifying glass. Once you've done both the sides, then it's a case of working the top of the hook. Once you've practiced, hopefully you'll be able to take a hook from this to this. For more Crafty TV video clips, check out www.anglingpublications.co.uk/crafty.